Then moving on to mostly exceeded expectations. There are a couple other pieces here as you think about setting up people for ongoing success in the future. Taking on conflict productively, which is about raising issues thoughtfully and intentionally, never assuming intentionality on what's going on for the other person, balancing directness and diplomacy, and also managing yourself so that you can show up in the conversation in a thoughtful way are the fundamentals of conflict. And then as you think about extending beyond that, consider your work from every angle. This is one of my favorite frameworks here, and I'm going to show the whole thing because I actually think it's really useful for new employees to help extend beyond what they're working on. So considering your work from every angle, most people take the piece of work that they've been given, work on it, and then give the output back, right? Or do the thing they've been explicitly asked to do. When we think about the best employees or new employees who are really successful, though, or even just people who have consolidated wisdom and learnings over the course of their career, they usually think not only about their work, but they think in four directions. They think up to the bigger picture to think about how this connects to other things. They think down to the implications of if we did this, then so what? How does that change the other work that we're doing or our counterparties or the other work around? They think back to the root causes of what created this problem or why is this here? And then they think forward to the next steps. So if you ever think of a really great employee, they're not just executing on what they've done, but they're also noticing the way that that work sits within the broader organizational context and often thinking in those four directions or some combination of those four directions to talk about what else is there, what else should happen, and what goes next.